Are you a student in 2025 trying to figure out how to make some serious cash without burning out? Whether you need to pay off tuition or upgrade your lifestyle, I've got you covered. Stick around for the best ways to hustle smarter, not harder. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing how students can make real money in 2025. These tips are quick, actionable, and perfect for anyone looking to level up their income. First up, freelancing. Got a skill like graphic design, video editing, or coding? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect. In 2025, AI-related skills like prompt engineering are in high demand. If you're just starting out, learn from free resources on YouTube or Coursera and niche down to stand out. Pro tip: focus on one specific service like creating social media graphics to attract clients faster. Next, content creation. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or blog. You can earn from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You don't need fancy gear, your phone works fine. For example, finance students can make TikToks about budgeting tips or investment hacks. Another easy option, selling digital products like templates, ebooks, or online courses. Are you organized? Sell Notion templates for students? Know a lot about a topic? Create a study guide. A simple digital planner on Etsy can bring in thousands with minimal effort. Focus on what students need, like exam prep guides or time management tools. And that's it. Freelancing, content creation, and selling digital products are some of the best ways to make money as a student in 2025. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep improving. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video, and happy hustling.